Okay, I'm going over this car crash on 271 North that's involving 13 vehicles, including 3 commercial vehicles. I mean, first of all, you have this orange truck on the side of the road and you got these other 18-wheelers still going. They see cars on the side of the road. I'm pretty sure that was a police vehicle pulled over with the dash cam, and they're still booming by. Yeah, I mean, that could have been totally avoided by putting on your flashers, signaling the cars and trucks behind you that there's something going on in front of you, and just slowing down to eventually go into a complete stop. But instead you got 1, 2, 3 cars in the grass. You have 1 tractor trailer totally turned around. One SUV in between 2 tractor trailers, and another car pinned against the guardrail and the tractor trailer. It's just ridiculous. With a layer of snow on the highway. So obviously this road hasn't even been treated, and if it has been treated, it hasn't even been touched. I mean, yeah, that's ridiculous. We should definitely do better at avoiding these pileups. There was the one in the fog. There's this one in the snow. There's a bunch of them that happen in the snow every year. It's ridiculous. Come on, do better, truck drivers.